YouTubers. I'm frying lobsters tonight. Alright. We're frying lobsters tonight, YouTubers. Fried lobsters. Let me show you what it look like too, YouTubers, when it come out. Got it frying good. Fried lobster. We're gonna show you what these bad boys look like when they come out. Okay? Bag of cornmeal. Nice grease. Okay? Get it frying nice and popping. I'm gonna show y'all guys what it look like. Hello YouTubers! Y'all miss me, don't you, baby? I got it set up here for you, frying some fried lobsters on a Wednesday night. Come on, baby, into my home and enjoy me what I cook. I'm gonna cook some potato logs. Alright? I got potato logs. These are big old gigantic potato logs, okay? Like back in Mississippi. I got these big old potatoes. Look at that, YouTubers. That's a potato log there. I'm gonna fry that. And I'm gonna have that with the lobsters. Alright, YouTubers, stick with me. I'm gonna show you what this look like when it's fried and everything. Alright now. Turn it up. We got some soup. Cause it's cold out here in Florida, YouTubers. So, you gotta have this lobster on like 350 to give it a good hot temperature. YouTubers, I want you guys to know that I come up with someone popping! Yes, YouTubers! Yes, fried lobster. Okay? YouTubers, y'all miss me? Did you miss me, YouTubers? Yes, you have. I hope you guys had a wonderful, merry, wonderful new year. I know you did. 2019 come in and everything. Everybody been busy and whatnot. And I just want you guys to come back and see what I've done. Oh yeah, on a Wednesday night. Fried lobsters. What y'all been doing, YouTubers? Know you guys been living it up, calling it whatnot. Alright? Maybe I need to put some more light on my keep it wet. So I can see you guys, YouTubers, and you can see me. Alright? So what we got here is these lobsters. While they're frying, I'll show you guys exactly what they look like when they come out. Okay? Fried lobsters is so good. And what I got is the potatoes. Okay. So what we don't want to do, we don't want to burn them. So we're going to go ahead and turn them over. We don't want them to burn. Okay, nice fried lobster. So we're going to turn them over. Okay. And we want them to cook just right, so I can show you guys how they look. Fried lobster, they're good. You got the little pieces of them right there. We got them potato logs we're gonna cook though. We got soup. It's cold in Florida, YouTubers, so we got soup, okay? We got nice chicken soup. What you see right here is soup, okay? So we're cold in Florida, Orlando, so we're trying to go with the weather, whatnot, you know? So we're gonna give you guys a blowout. There's a blowout here in Orlando, right? Okay. Alright, YouTubers. That's the little piece right there. Fried lobster is so good. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay? I want you guys to give me thumbs up for my videos. Love me, YouTuber. Because I told you I come back with something that's poppin', YouTuber. Alright now. Fried lobster is so good. Okay? I'm going to show you guys what this lobster looks like. Alright? Yeah? Fried lobster, YouTuber. And then we're going to keep them frying a little bit. You know you don't got to fry lobster that long. Got the little pieces of lobster. And they're so good. Then we're going to fry a big old log with potatoes, alright? You want to fry this lobster that is so crispy, you can crunch on the tail of it. I'm going to show it to you. It's about ready now, YouTuber. Show you how this lobster looks. It is so crunchy, you're going to be able to crunch on the tail. See? Right there. Fried lobsters. Alright? Alright, YouTubers. I had to take time out to be able to cook something so you guys can be right here with me when I cook it. Because normal time I'll cook it and you guys don't see it. But what I wanted to do tonight is show you how I cook these fried lobster tails and these potato logs. Nice, big old, I got big, nice, giant, we told you the potatoes? I'll show it to you. gonna show you the biggest potatoes that you ever seen. These are some big potatoes. Look at that. See that big old potato? That's a potato. That's a giant potato, YouTubers. Mugshot. So what I'm cooking is potato logs and fried lobster. I just want to show you that big old potato. And I get these from Sam's. Alright? Sam's grocery. So that's what I have. I'm going to cook potato logs, alright? Let me turn this off for you some more so I can show you guys how it look, YouTubers. Good fried lobsters, alright? Can't get no better than that, baby. Baby. Alright, YouTubers. Got that soup here cooking, simmering. Like I say, we cold out here in Florida. We eat soup and hot stuff to keep warm. Alright? You have to keep turning too, alright? Fried lobster, YouTubers. Alright, YouTube, we're going to get them out of the skillet. And we're going to show you guys what they look like, okay? I have my camera right. Let me get it back right. Let me get my camera back right, YouTubers, so y'all can see me take them out the skillet. Pull these out of the skillet. So you guys see they're done. Okay? See that? Fried lobster. Look at that. See that? Fried lobster. Okay. Okay. We'll show you a much better picture. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these potato logs in here now so you guys can see. So you guys, let me put the potato logs in there. These are the potato logs. Fried lobster. They crunchy. Okay, fried lobsters. Look at that big old potato. So we're gonna fry these. Put them in that hot grease. See that? Potato logs. That big old potato I showed you guys. We fry them like potato logs, okay? You put them in that grease. Alright? And you fry them, YouTubers. They be nice and crispy. Okay? YouTube, let me wash my hands and stuff. Let me get you over here to the sink, I guess. I don't know. But let me wash my hands, and while it's going right here, I'm going to wash my hands and clean my hands up. And I'll come right back with you guys, okay? Make sure I got that eyesight so it's high. Fry these nice logs. I'm going to wash my hands. Alright, YouTubers, I have these potato logs on. Okay, we're going to clean up some here. We're going to fry these potatoes. And we're going to show you what they look like when they fry, YouTubers, alright? They're frying. And I'm going to show you what they look like. Big old potatoes. Okay? What y'all been doing, YouTubers? Did you guys have a happy new year? Yeah, I had a wonderful happy new year, YouTubers. I hope you guys did too. And I want to come back more and more 2019 to do things that I, missed out because I'm a late bloomer and whatnot. But I want you guys to subscribe to my videos, give me thumbs up, and love me, YouTubers. That's what's popping. That's all good. I am the all good YouTubers. Give me thumbs up, love me, baby, for what I do, and bring you into my home and show you how I cook and get down, alright? So you guys love me, subscribe to my videos, and I love you, alright? So I'm going to show you what these logs look like, alright? They're frying real good, these potato logs, alright? I'm going to show you what they look like when they come up. Nice crispy potato logs, alright? They're the big old potatoes. You gotta let them fry really hard. Tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. Alright? You're gonna try to even fry them too, so you don't want them to burn. Because a big old potato like that can cook real quick. We're going to turn them over. Okay? And if you see your potato logs so big that they get kind of like a little crispier, that's okay. Because the potato is so big and it has to cook really slow. You want it on a slow cook. So what you do, you got the spices on them that will look a little brown, but they are flavor and seasoned. The reason they look a little brown, okay? What we're gonna do, we're gonna turn these down and let them cook real slow. They're big old potato logs, all right? And when they come out, they're gonna be so crispy and good, YouTubers. And I want you guys to subscribe my video. Give me thumbs up, YouTubers, because I know you guys love me and I know you guys love to see me. I love you, YouTubers. I'm getting hot though. I'm getting hot now, YouTubers. Oh yeah, that's what's up. I'm getting hot now. Well, guess what, YouTuber? I want you guys to just subscribe to my videos, give me thumbs up, love me, because I love you, okay? All right now. So I'm going to do these potatoes. I'm going to show you these potatoes when they come up, how they look. Nice and crispy. Okay. They are so big, but they cook really good when you cook them slow, okay? Okay, that's that big old potato, all right? I'm gonna taste the soup, YouTuber. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. It's cold, so chicken noodle soup. It's so good when it's cold. That's good. That's some good soup, YouTubers. I always have some good soup when it's cold, alright? That's good. So we have these nice fried lobsters. Nice fried crispy lobsters. And the tail. Okay. And we're going to put those potatoes right on there with those lobsters. And we're going to chow down. Okay? We're going to chow down on them lobsters because they're good and tender. We're just waiting on the potatoes. And I want you guys to subscribe to my videos, YouTubers. Give me thumbs up. These potatoes have to be turned and turned and turned and turned to make sure they're done, because they're so thick, they're so big. Okay? And if you get a little crusty on them as dark, don't worry about that. It's okay. The more crusty they are, the crispy they're going to be. Alright? So don't worry about how you get a little whatever, because the season make them look like that. But they're almost ready now, YouTubers. When you turn them on the skin side and you see that skin them brown, then you know they're ready. They're about ready. Okay? When you turn the skin down. I'll show you how it looks. Mississippi log potatoes, alright? They're about ready. Okay? I'm gonna show you exactly how they look. These are These are very good, nice big old potatoes, YouTubers. Tell you the truth, they're Scotland potatoes. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the eye off. We're gonna put parsley on them too. Okay. Alright, I think they're ready now, so we're gonna take them out. Almost ready anyway. Okay. And then we're gonna sprinkle them with some parsley. We're gonna put parsley on them. Okay. We're gonna let them go like slow in the oven. On top. That lobster tastes good, YouTuber. Shout out to my video, YouTubers. Give me thumbs up, love me, cause I love you. Right? I'm gonna let them cook for like maybe 1 to 2 more minutes, YouTubers, and I'll be right back with you, alright? Alright, YouTubers. See that? Big long potato. See that, YouTubers? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle some parsley on it. Okay, so use some salt on them. Nice salt. And some more pepper. And there's the log potatoes, see? Nice log potatoes. You told them some big old potatoes, YouTubers. Look at that. See that? Nice log Mississippi potatoes, YouTubers. You cannot beat that. Get a screenshot. Love me, babies. Oh, yeah. What I tell you? You got that lobster. Remember that lobster? That fried lobster. Put it up there. There you go. That's what I'm talking, YouTubers. How about another one? Let's turn them over and show them how you look on the inside. Fried lobster. Alright? Screenshot. Oh yeah. Fried lobster. And big old ass potato logs. Alright? Alright, YouTubers. Love me, baby! Alright, YouTubers. Alright now. That fried lobster. That potato is hot. I'll bite it for you guys, but that thing is hot. That big old long potato. Yeah, it is. Love me, YouTubers. Try my videos. Try what I showed you I cooked in my kitchen. And I'll come back with something else. That's poppin', YouTubers! Love me, babies. All right now. Fried lobsters and log potatoes. All right, babies. Bye-bye, YouTubers. Love me, baby. All right now.